Hey clown, stop. It is not correct to enter without permission.
Hey, look.
Wow!
Sorry for disturbing you, clown, let's go.
Why don't you play with us? It's fun.
They are robots. They don't know how to play.
What game are you playing?
We are playing a game called Tic Tac Toe. He lost all games today. Would you like to play this game?
Can you teach me? I want to learn how to play Tic Tac Toe.
The game is played by 2 players, who take turns marking spaces in a 3x3 grid with X or O. The player to get 3 X's or 3 O's in a row, horizontal or vertical or diagonally, is the winner.
Let's play once. They will get the idea.
Training neural network. Training complete.
Yay, I win.
Yummy.
Yay!
Hey 2Ring, would you like to play?
Yes.
Wow! The robot won. I never thought a robot could win this game.
I am an AI robot. I've learned a strategy to win this game. I can teach you and you will never lose again. Hey buddy. How about a game between us? Up for the challenge? Click on the link below.